In today's world, messaging has become one of the more popular methods of communication. Whether it's through text messages or messenger apps, it's how a lot of people prefer talking with one another. Because of this, businesses are developing chatbots that you can message and talk to as if they were human. In fact, you may even think you're talking to a human when it's actually a chatbot. More and more businesses are using them for online customer service, to resolve issues and answer simple questions. A few are even developing shopping assistants to give you recommendations when you're looking for a certain product. There are currently two different types of chatbots. The first uses a certain set of rules, meaning that they can only respond to specific words or commands. So if you don't use the correct phrasing, the chatbot may not know how to respond. These bots are only as intelligent as they're programmed to be. The second type of chatbot uses artificial intelligence. This means that it can understand language, and you can speak with it more conversationally, as if it were a real person. These chatbots will also get smarter over time, learning from each conversation they have with their users. As this technology continues to evolve, more companies will use chatbots as a way to engage with and assist their audiences.
Goodwill Community Foundation, creating opportunities for a better life.